In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a 10-second strategy using the two moving average indicators. This particular strategy is a very simple one, very accurate, and very effective to use. Even as a beginner trader, you can start with this particular strategy and you can actually make a whole lot of money with it. This particular strategy only comes with just two moving average. I'm going to be sharing with you how you can set your indicators, the proper way you can actually trade using this particular strategy, when to enter a trade, when to exit a trade. And that is why you have to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be explaining in each trade I'm going to be taking how you can be able to find opportunities and execute your trade. On this particular strategy, I'm actually going to be making use of two indicators, which is the moving average. I'm going to come over to my indicator section right here, and I'm going to be using just two moving average. So the settings of the first moving average comes with the period of 8. Let's set this as 8. Then the moving average, you're going to be using WMA. Right here on the style level, I'm going to be using a purple color and I'm going to be using it on 3 pixels. So when you're done, just click on save. The settings of our second moving average comes with the period of 5. We're going to set this as 5. The moving average, we're going to set it as WMA. Right here on the style level, we're going to be using, let's use any other colors. I think let's use orange colors, as far as going to be visible on your chart, and let's use it on 3 pixels. So when you're done, just click on save. So this particular strategy, I'm actually using the Heikin Ashi candlestick. I'm using 5 seconds candle time frame, and I'm also trading this particular strategy on 10 seconds. So anytime you're actually trading this kind of strategy, especially 5-second strategy, 10-second strategy, do ensure you trade with the amount of money you know you can lose in the market. That means, let's say you have a $100 account, you can actually be entering each trade with, let's say, $5 or $10. I hope you're getting it right. Don't actually risk every amount of money you have, because there are high tendency that your trade might actually not come your way. But with this particular strategy, I'm giving it an 80% winning rate based on my experience with it. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, this is how this strategy works. The first thing we need to consider right here is to see a reversal of a bearish movement. You can see we have a bearish movement in the market. Then immediately the market turns into a bullish movement. Then we're going to confirm it with a strong candlestick. Immediately we see that that is when we're going to enter for a buy trade. While in the case of a sell trade, we also need to identify a bullish market. Immediately we see a bullish market and we realize that there are reversal in the market, we're going to cite a strong candlestick. We're going to place a trade right at this particular level. Immediately we see the crossing over of our moving average, then we're going to execute a trade, and before you know, we're going to be on a very good profit. So guys, I do advise you to watch this video to the end. It really helps you to know the other things you should be able to consider before you execute a trade. So for you to better understand this particular strategy, I'm going to go into the market right away. When I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So right here guys, you find a buying opportunity right here. We're going to be entering a buying trade right at this particular level. We're going to be entering a buying trade right here, and the basic reasons why we're entering a buy trade right at this particular level is, if you could see right here, we have a bearish movement in the market, and suddenly we're able to see a reversal of the market right at this particular level. The other thing we also considered right here is a strong candlestick. So immediately we saw a strong candlestick and we saw the intersection of our two moving average, and that is what gives us a very good indication to actually enter a trade. This is a very simple one. The best thing you need to consider is a reversal of a market from a bearish movement. You have to consider it with a strong candlestick, and do ensure you see a crossing over. Immediately you see a strong crossing over of a candle, you wait for another one before you can be able to execute a trade. When a candlestick signals the intersection, do not enter a trade yet. You only enter a trade when another candlestick print out in the market. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, I'm going to go into the market again for another opportunity, and when I see, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, right here we're finding a buying opportunity right here. We're actually entering a buying opportunity right at this particular level, and the reasons why we're entering a buy trade right here is pretty much simple. As you all can see right at this particular level, the market has been on a downward direction, and the next thing we actually saw right here is the reversal of the market. As you all can see right here, we find a reversal of the market right here. We confirm it with this particular candlestick, which actually indicates the intersection of the two moving average, and right here we're actually able to place our trade right at this particular level. And the next thing that happened is the market triggering towards an upward direction. I hope you're getting it right. This is a very powerful strategy. I hope you're getting it right. It's a very powerful one. The basic thing you need to also consider again is anytime you're making use of this strategy, you also need to consider the trend. In the case when the market is in an uptrend, you always ensure you are trading when the market is going as a higher high. I hope you're getting it right. For those of you that understand the market structure, this is actually one thing you also need to put into consideration before you actually execute a trade. I hope you're getting it right. So anytime you're trading using this particular strategy, do ensure you have a very strong internet connection because the market is moving in a very high speed. So you should be able to enter the market as soon as you find your confirmation. I hope you're getting that right. So I'm going to go into the market again. When I find another opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, right at this particular level, you're finding a sell opportunity right here. We're going to be entering a sell trade right at this particular level. And the reasons why we're entering a sell trade right here, guys, is pretty much simple and it is very easy for you to really see. The first thing we saw right here is the moving of the bullish market. You can see right here we have a bullish market movement. And the next thing the market does is the market suddenly retraces. As you can see right here, it retraces and we find a strong candlestick which triggers the intersection of the two moving average. We're able to enter a trade right here, and before you know, we're actually on a very good profit. I hope you're getting it right. With this particular strategy, you can have a countless opportunities in the market for a long period of time. Hope you're getting it. That means you can have at least 20 to 30 opportunities in the market. But I do advise you, anytime you take a reasonable profit in the market, just avoid the market for that day. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, I'm going to go into the market for my last trade. When I find another opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, we find another opportunity for a buy trade right at this particular level. So you can see there are rejections of candlestick right at this particular level. So right here, we can actually enter the buy trade opportunity right at this particular level, guys. Entering a buy trade right here. Let's wait and see how the market turns out to be, guys. As you can see right here, guys, we're actually on a very good profit right here, guys. This particular strategy is a very powerful one and it works pretty much well. The basic thing you need to also consider in the market is whenever the market is moving from a bearish market into a bullish market, confirming it with a strong candlestick, that is a perfect time for you to enter for a buy trade. And also whenever the market is moving from a bullish market into a bearish market, you have to confirm it with the reversal candlestick patterns and also a strong candlestick alongside with the intersection of the two moving average. Immediately you saw all this, that is when you should be able to execute a trade. I hope you're getting it right. This particular strategy is a very powerful one. We took 4 trades and we actually win all the trades using this particular strategy. So guys, I want you to try out this particular strategy and let us know your experience with this particular strategy in the comment section, guys. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop on this particular video. If you have question or suggestion, do ensure you drop it on the comment section. I'll be right here waiting for you to answer your questions and listen to your suggestions as well. Till I see you again, guys, in another video. Keep trading, guys, and bye for now.